Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed for exploring the depths. The advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, also known as the ultimate marine exploration tool EVO with arm. This isn't just any underwater camera. It's a full-fledged exploration vehicle built to give users an unparalleled view of the marine world. Right off the bat, the immersive 4K video recording capability stands out. It features a high-resolution camera that promises to capture stunning footage, bringing the underwater environment to life with incredible detail. Imagine seeing vibrant coral reefs or mysterious shipwrecks in crystal-clear 4K. For those who want to go beyond the shallows, this drone offers an extended operating range. It comes equipped with a robust remote control system and a generous 100-meter cable, allowing users to explore deeper areas that might otherwise be inaccessible. That kind of depth capability opens up a whole new realm of discovery. Durability is key for any underwater device, and this drone is built to withstand a wide range of conditions. It's designed to operate in temperatures ranging from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, suggesting it's ready for various climates and water types. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. The drone is equipped with a powerful 9,000 mAh battery, which provides up to 4 hours of exploration time on a single charge. That's a significant amount of time to capture footage, observe marine life, or conduct inspections without needing to resurface frequently. Operating the drone is designed to be intuitive, thanks to its FPV or first-person view operation. It offers real-time viewing with seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, putting the user right into the action as if they were down there themselves. This real-time feedback is crucial for precise navigation and capturing the perfect shot. Physically, the unit measures about 15 inches long, 5.6 inches wide, and 13 inches high. It's constructed from plastic and comes in a white color. The package includes the necessary battery and camera components to get started. While the detailed functions of the robotic arm aren't specified in the core features, its inclusion in the product name suggests it adds a layer of interaction, potentially for retrieving objects or manipulating the environment, making it more than just a viewing platform. It positions itself as a comprehensive tool for serious marine exploration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.